you the workflow that generates lofi music. This is the latest code that can make and remove the dirty part of the code, and it is now working like great. So this is the Google Sheet link that I provide in a resources section, and this is the ChatGPT section, and prompt I can also provide in Gumroad section. Here you can see you simply need to copy that and paste in your Google Sheet, so it can look like this. So I am open my Google Sheet. Here you can see this is here. You simply need title A, title B, and prompt. So I only need that. You can play with this. So let's tell ChatGPT, and I only need this. You can play with. Simply click on this. Now ChatGPT gives us suggestion. Here you can see we got successfully output. Now copy paste in your. I simply copy paste in my account. I simply copy this, and from here to here, and go back to our Google Sheet. Then simply drag it and select it, and simply drag it to here, and simply drag it to here, and I simply paste the value. You can see it successfully added. And if you want to add this, we can also generate column. I forget that. We can with generate with filter or something like that. You can search and click on here, and it can automatically fill like there. Now go to our make.com automation. I can explain you, and simply connect your Google account ID and select from connect to your account. Click on add button and click on sign up with Google and select your account. Then it selected. Let's cross this. Then choose your Google Sheet. I simply provide you this ID, this sheet, and simply click on a file. Click on a make a copy, and simply remove this, and you simply click on a make a copy, so it will copy in your browser in your account Google Sheet. Here you can see I can share with other, and this have also the share link I already enable. You can find this link on Gumroad. If you don't want to, I simply copy link and I simply show you here. This is the link that you need to open. I simply clone it. So go to Sydney and table content header, and we simply choose status, and status is equal to do, and limit will be 1. If you want to generate 10 song, then choose limit. If you want to generate 10 song, then choose limit 10, so it can generate 10 song for you. So in backend we use Suno AI. You can also generate music from Suno AI. You can see, simply click on that. This is the website that can generate music. So in this background it can use Suno AI to generate a music. Here is the website you can generate, but I found a API key on this platform called PI API. Simply go to this website and create your account with GitHub, and go to setting, and when you log in, you simply need to top up your account. You can see, and click on billing, and click on top up with Stripe, top up with crypto. If you have credit card, go with this one and put the amount that you want to top up, and click on cross, click on redirect to Stripe checkout, and so it can check out your bill. Now I go to the API key and create a API key. So if you want to create, simply write name anyone and click on create API key, so it will create you. So I already have API key on my account. Simply go to my API key and go here and simply copy the API key, and simply paste your API key here. Simply click on this and paste your API key here, and everything is fine. And prompt, so GPT description prompt, so I can edit from here. I think let's run this one time. Click on run this model only. We can see we return one value. So we got value, and here is the output: to do, nest, doc, lofi, and prompt. Everything is here. Click on this, and we simply drag as prompt here. So the prompt is state or title. I think the prompt is this one. To do prompt, I think the prompt is something like it contain on status and prompt. Let's go to Google Sheet, and I think this is the prompt. Click on done. Here is the prompt that is on the correct. I paste in the correct. Simply drag your prompt here, and everything is fine. And we send a webhook. So changing our webhook. So we go to next. You go to this URL, and you need to create a webhook. You simply open this like this, and I can show you how can you. Click on add button and click on just save, and you got the webhook. Simply click on copy to address and remove this webhook. Simply paste your webhook, don't paste my. Simply paste it. Simply backspace and simply paste your own, and click on privacy response. Click on yes, and click on done. Everything is done. Now let's move to the update row, so it can automatically update. Simply select your seat ID, ALOF music, anything you can rename, and the row number. So getting a row number from here, if you can see, here is the row number, you can see that. Simply drag it value here. Table content header yes, and status will be done. Okay, and just save it. So when it got here, you can see that I go to my own webhook, webhook, and simply save it. So when it got here, so we need to add when the status, so it can music generating can take our time like 3 to 5 minutes. So I set up a filter. Click on this. It is already set up for you, and I can simply get our workflow, and I simply paste a status. I simply drag it here. This is the workflow, that's same, and this is the text content, and text operator will be content, and status will be complicated. So it can go to this, then it go to here, and click on so we download our music file. So go to output, go to song. Here is the music file. You can see that we can listen our music. I have downloaded it in my PC. I can listen you now. I simply drag the song path here, and so it can download the music. Click on the save. So I already saved it, and so it can convert our song into binary form. So Dropbox or any cloud understand, and simply click on a file, choose get a file, and I select that, and just save it. And we simply need to choose our folder. It is default choose by luxury or anything. You simply choose your own folder. Click on here and choose your own folder, and just save it. So it can automatically save your music on here. If you want to also add this on Google Sheet, so click on this, go to Google Sheet, click on update a row, and click here to choose your click on choose a folder. Go to what is the name? Let's copy our file name. I love you music. Let's go here and search. Click on here. AI Lofi. Simply, I think I'm not finding. I think I'm choosing a wrong account. Make sure you can choose your right account, so you can get this type of error. AI Lofi music. I simply select that and simply add like you download URL. Download URL. Simply drag the value. I think it is not. I don't provide this sheet link, so it can. You need to do as yourself. Click on self and the raw number. And the raw number will be, I think it can't run with here. We can't get a raw number from here. So the raw number will be 2. So I saw that and simply provide the prompt, and this is the download link. That is simply drag your output, go to song, and simply drag your output as song path here, so it can download it. So let's remove this and also clear this. So we meet on our next video. I think it will work. My account have not any credit. I use all of my credit. You can see that doing 30 tasks, so I can improve my. Okay, let's remove this download URL section, so you can't get that. Okay, we meet on next video. Okay, bye.